what Zen meditation does to your brain. Zen meditation isn't just about feeling calm, it also does cool things to your brain. People who practice Zen meditation show changes in their brain that help them feel better, both mentally and physically. How cool is that? Scientists say Zen meditation helps your brain become more flexible and strong. This is called neural plasticity. It means your brain can change and grow when you meditate. The more you practice, the better your brain can handle challenges. Zen meditation is also a great way to get rid of stress. It helps calm your mind, and when that happens, your body doesn't make as much stress hormone. Less stress means you can think more clearly and make better decisions. Plus, you might even feel happier. Zen also helps you focus better and stay in control of your feelings. When you practice Zen, you get better at paying attention and dealing with emotions. Just a little time each day can help you become more calm and in charge of your thoughts and feelings. The history of Zen meditation is very old, and its story begins a long time ago with a monk named Bodhidharma. He is said to have started Zen meditation in India and then took it to China around the year 500. It's like the start of a giant game of telephone that shaped the way we think about mindfulness today. Bodhidharma taught people that meditation could help them become enlightened, understanding the truth about themselves and the world. He didn't use fancy words, he just wanted people to sit quietly and think deeply. Zen meditation didn't stay in one place. It spread across Asia, especially to Japan, and changed a little in each country. Today, Zen is practiced in many different ways, but it all comes from those ancient teachings. When you practice Zen today, you're not just meditating, you're connecting with all the people who practiced it before you. It's like being part of a big, peaceful family that's been around for centuries. Zazen versus regular meditation. Zazen is a special kind of meditation. In regular meditation, you can sit however you like, but in Zazen, you sit in a certain way. This position helps your body stay calm and your mind stay clear. In regular meditation, you might use things like repeating a word or thinking about pictures in your mind. But in Zazen, you don't try to do anything with your thoughts. You just notice them and let them float by, kind of like watching clouds in the sky. Zazen helps you focus on the present moment without worrying about the past or the future. It's not about relaxing or thinking hard about something. It's just about being. If you want to try meditation that helps you focus without distractions, Zazen might be a good choice for you. Vipassana versus Zen meditation. Vipassana and Zen meditation are two types of meditation, and each one has its own way of helping you be more mindful. Vipassana is about paying very close attention to your body, thoughts, and feelings. It's like becoming a detective of your own mind. You try to understand why you feel happy or sad, and how everything in life is always changing. Zen meditation, on the other hand, doesn't try to figure things out. It's just about sitting and being present, just noticing what's happening around you without trying to analyze it. It's like sitting back and letting the world happen without trying to change it. Both are great ways to practice mindfulness. You can try both and see which one feels right for you.